Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southeastern Polk County in western North Carolina, southwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Columbus, or 5 miles north of Lake Bowen, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shelby, Boiling Springs, North Carolina, Landrum, Chesney, Patterson Springs, Campobello, Ellenboro, Lattimore, Mooresboro, and Earl. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for western and the Piedmont of North Carolina and upstate South Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cleveland, Polk, and Rutherford, and the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee and Spartanburg. Tornado watch number 186 remains